Hi, I'm Steph and this is my first YouTube video. I've chosen to do project panning because that's what I love doing, because I keep buying stuff and not using it fully. So I've been project panning for 2 years and this is my 3rd year. So I've mainly been doing it on Instagram and I didn't have the courage to do it on YouTube, but I wanted to because I thought it would be fun. So I suppose I should thank Rebecca Morgan, Alexi, Stephanie from the Daisy Girlie and my boyfriend for giving me the courage and listening to me and answering questions, because I literally hadn't a clue where to start. So the first video I said I'd do is the hashtag #ProjectPanCollab that was started by Alexi and Rebecca Morgan, and they had 50 categories where you randomly select 6, work on them till you hit a goal and then select another one. And I think they said that there's 100 people in it now when they opened it up, and I was doing it on Instagram. So bearing in mind all the products that you see I have been working on since the 2nd of January. If I figure out how to insert clips or like photos of where I was, because I have, obviously I said I was doing it on Instagram, I have pictures of where I was on the 2nd of January, but I'm still going to show you where I am now. So I already have the 6 products chosen, and I've been working on them 5 days a week since the 2nd of January. So the first category I chose was number 49, something that's special to you. So I have the Tarte blush from the blush palette, and it's special to me because I got it as a Christmas present in 2017 from my boyfriend. There's 2.4 grams in each pan. So I had pan on it when I started, but here is where I am now. Okay. Is it focusing? Oh, it's pretty much. Yeah, so my goal for that one is to finish it. And the second one is 14 product you'd recommend to anyone, and mine is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and there is 11 grams in here. I think this is pretty much a load of people's favourites. You can't buy it in Ireland, so I got it on iHerb. I think it got to me in 2 days, which is bloody brilliant. It's fantastic. So I had pan on this as well, and I'm trying to finish this one too. And I don't even feel like I'm panning this one. Usually when I'm panning something for the first while I love it, and then after a while I get frustrated and I'm like, come on, finish. So I don't mind this one, I really like it. The third one is number 1 product with cute packaging, and this is the Too Faced Peach Blur, and there is, how many grams are in this? 8, there's 8 grams of this. So you have to go light-handed on this or your face literally will go pink. Well, mine will. Mine does anyway. I was close to pan when I started this. There's a waffle grid on it, and here's where I am now. So I've hit the pan. When I hit the waffle, the insides of the waffle kind of crumble out. So you can kind of see if on the side there's pan as well. And I want to finish this one as well. Oh. Then 33, product that's overrated, which I think people will kill me for, but to each their own, is the Sleek Sauces palette, and there is 2.25 grams in each pan. I had pan on this already. I love the colours in it, but it just makes the texture on my skin really obvious, which I don't want, but I really do like the colours. So I had pan when I started. I don't know if that's gonna focus, don't know how people do it, but anyway, I want to finish that one as well. It took me 4 months to hit pan on that, of using it 5 days a week, mainly on my cheek, maybe once or twice a week as a lid shade. Next is number 3, which is product in loose form, which is a MAC pigment in a sample pot called Melon. I don't know how I'm going to show this. I had a lot more in this at the start of the month than I do now, but anyway. I don't know if that's going to focus, but I think you get the idea. I'm glad I got to try that before buying it, because in Ireland I think it's 22 euros, and it's grand, like it does the job, but I have other ones that are more affordable that I find better, a lot better. I wouldn't buy it again, but I'm glad I got to try it. And then my last one is product you haven't used in a while, and in my case product you haven't used in 700 million years, and it's something from the brand Next, which is a clothing brand, and I think they have a little stand in there that used to have makeup on it. I don't know how old it is. I'm ashamed to even guess. Anyway, it's in the shade Bronze. I'll insert a picture, you know, the little paper with the pencil lining up where it is versus where it is now. Okay, so that's all my products. Thanks for listening to me. That was absolutely terrifying. If anyone on me, I think people on my Instagram will probably know about it, but it's Steph Beauty 92. And yeah, first YouTube video over. Still terrified. I'm expecting I'll probably get used to it, but thank you.